Hi there. Welcome to the Java course for class 12 ISC. So this is a course that the playlist we are making for the entire curriculum for your subject, which is computer science. Now, this is ISC class 12, and the book that I am following is Computer Science by Java with Java, Computer Science with Java. With Java, and the name of the author that I am following is Sumita Arora, right? I found it out. The content is nicely explained, so it's a good book. But I will be going to try to follow multiple resources so that I can give you the best content. So this is our first video. So I welcome all of you, and we will start with chapter number 1, and then slowly we will cover up the syllabus. Now, coming to this particular course, which is computer science with Java. So the primary language for entire curriculum we are using is the Java programming language, right? And it is used highly in the industry. So one of the very important language to learn. Now, what they did is, they have, given us all the concepts of computer science with this language. So data structures is also there, algorithms is also there. So many great concepts are there, and we can do with the help of Java language in our course, right? So yeah, so that's the name of the book and the author. Now, we will start in this video. We will start with like chapter number 1, and the chapter number 1 is Boolean algebra. Okay, so the name of the chapter number 1 is Boolean algebra. Now, coming to this chapter, going inside this chapter a bit more. But before that, I just wanted to draw an analogy that just imagine that like you want to purchase a mobile phone, and that mobile phone is having so many features, but the two features you want is a good camera. Okay, good camera, and you want maybe good microphone. Okay, mic. So you want, camera and mic should be best. Okay, other features are okay, but you want the best. Now, in case, if you find a phone where the camera is not that good, okay, but mic is good. So in this case, you will not purchase. If you want, both should be perfect. Okay, you got a phone where, the camera is good, but mic is not that good. So again, you will not purchase, right? You found a phone where you are having both the things great, like camera is also great and the mic is also great. So for such phone, you will be definitely go for it because your requirement is fulfilled. Now, what is this? Well, this is a logic, right? So the logic is I'm writing here, let's say this is A and this is B. So here the logic is that when A and B, they both are true, then you will be going to say yes. You will be going to when both the logics is true, then only you will be going to purchase the phone, right? So here A and B, they both must be correct, and for that we are having this AND. The dot symbol we use for telling that okay, both the conditions A and B, they must be correct, then only this will be going to give you the correct result. For example, if I will draw a truth table here, 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 1, and y is nothing but A dot B, so you can see that 0 dot 0 is 0, 0 dot 1 is 1, 1 dot 0 is 0, 0 dot 1 is 0, and 1 dot 0 is 0, 1 dot 1 is 1. So when that condition is becoming true, when both A and B is true, so this whole concept, this is one of the example that I drawn, but there are a lot of things are there that come under the branch of Boolean algebra, right? So in Boolean algebra, we are having logical gates. We are having, we are using, in order to represent the true and false, in order to represent the numbers like 0 and 1, the binary numbers, we are using the variables like A, B, and so on and so forth. So that all the things we will cover up in the Boolean algebra chapter, right? Now, one important thing, there's a language which is which is used in computer science a lot for the logics, for solving the logics, and that language is known as propositional language. Okay, now the propositional language, or PL in the short form. So this is not, it's not at all a programming language. There's no, direct connection between this and any programming language. Now, propositional language is a language that will be going to say that, the statement must be, either true or false, but it cannot be both at the same time. Let me give you an example. For example, I'm writing here, India is a continent. Right? Now, this is a statement. Now, we know that, this statement, which is India is a continent, is a false. Okay? The false statement, because India is a country, it's not a continent. So, according to the propositional logic, this is right. This is a true. The statement is right. It falls under this propositional logic category. Yes, this statement is true because, we are having a final result which is false. Similarly, if there's another statement, okay, have you eat something? Now, if you ask this question to someone, so, the result will be not true or false every time. It depends on the person to person. Have you eat something? So, it can be, the answer can be true also and the answer can be false also. Because that person may eat something or that person may did eaten something. So, because of that, when the statement could give the answer which is true as well as false, both the answers could be possible. So, all these type of statements doesn't fall under the category of propositional logic. So, a statement must be true. For example, India is a country. Now, this is true, right? So, this particular statement will fall under the category of PL, which is propositional logic. This will be going to fall under the category of PL, which is propositional logic again. And this doesn't fall under the category of PL. So you please make a note here that a statement will be going to true or it will be going to false. It will never be both. Okay. So that is the introduction of chapter number 1. Now I will make a complete video series where I will cover up all the concepts one by one, and then we will discuss all your portion of your syllabus with the help of videos. So please support me by liking this channel video and sharing this video, and subscribing to the YouTube channel. So this is Sadiq Ali from CodeMSBians. Thank you so much, everyone. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.